All right. Today we are working on a project where we're going to be looking at the measures of center and how we can use Google Sheets to do that. What's really nice is that Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, they have been programmed so that all you have to do is tell the cells, that's what each box is called. Each box is called a cell. You tell each cell what to do, and it does everything for you. It is a beautiful thing. Before we get started on the actual project, I just wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction into Google Sheets. So, right now, your cells are already formatted for the information that you need for the project. We're going to be going into this template and just adding in the information that we need. But maybe we want to change some things about this template just to make it look a little bit different. So, first off, I'm going to zoom in. These tools are the exact same that you have on Google Slides and Google Docs, so you should probably be familiar with them already. So for example, let's say I want to change the font. If I click on my cell, again, each box is called a cell. I can choose from my fonts as to which font I want. But I don't want to go through and do each cell by itself. That's going to take too long. So if I want to do something to every single cell, I can click in this box in the top left-hand corner and it highlights every single cell. Then I can come up here and I can change the font to everything at once. Maybe I want to make them all italicized. Maybe I don't like them bulleted the way that I had it already done. Maybe you want to change the text color. Maybe you want to make everything blue. This paint can fills in the background of the cells. Maybe you want to make the backgrounds all red. I do not like that. I'm actually going to keep my black fonts. And I think that's all I'm going to change now. If you are wanting to change other things, if you're wanting maybe to put this black squares, that changes the borders. So maybe if I look here at mean, median, mode, and range, maybe I want to put a border on the outside of those ones so that it's only around that bit of information. I can do that. Maybe you want each one of them to have a line in between. I can do that. Maybe you want to make the lines a little bit different. Maybe you want to come over here and make it have dotted lines or a thicker line. You can come over here and do that. I'm not going to do that for right now. I'm going to fix and take a look at those things at the end. So for right now, all I wanted to change was just my fonts. Play around with some of those tools up top, but don't spend too much time on them because we have a project to get through. You don't get any points for making it more or less colorful. You don't get any more or less points if you have it look any different. We're more concerned with the programming of the cells and you being able to use these tools for what their intended purpose is. If you have questions on any of this, let us know. Play around with it a little bit, and then when you're ready, go ahead and go on to the next video.